Are you part of the deaf, hard of hearing, or deaf and adult community? Do you have a passion for landscaping? City School has the course for you, and it's free. The Landscape Maintenance and Employability Skills course is designed to increase awareness of careers in landscaping and ground maintenance. It will provide you with the practical skills that will give you the confidence to apply for entry-level positions in the landscaping profession with the focus on landscaping maintenance. In this course, you will learn landscaping practical skills such as planting, weeding, mulching, and turf mowing and trimming, using hand and power tools to support landscaping and ground maintenance, essential job readiness, and employability skills that are crucial to the workplace success, and landscaping lexicon and insight into working in an English-speaking environment. This free course is offered June 21st to September 23rd, and classes are held Monday to Thursday. This course is delivered in person at Mohawk College Fennell campus, and all instructions are in ASL. To apply or for more information, please contact City School by phone or by CAVRS at 905-575-2489 or email cityschool@mohawkcollege.ca. Don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity and sign up today.